Tampor. Turn it again. We have found from number 23, push out. This boy, number 23, that is the first personal foul. And also the first team foul for the second quarter. Oh, they pumasok on the good running Tampor. One challenge center. This is Chico. Okay. It's back. Ernest again. Chance. Tampor. Bang bang. Time come on your side. 9 minutes and 23 seconds na remain on. 23-20 sa score. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Kapangos. 28, 15, 23. Kaina, parehong 12. We are number 12, Kanili. Villanueva. Number 15 is Villanueva. Ooh. Is that Villanueva number 12? Am I right? Here's Tampor. Amigos. Tampor, to get on the side is Chidoro. Chidoro, number 5, one side step. Still covered by the Amigos. Here comes Villanueva. Number 1, Chidoro, and this is false number 5. Is that counted? Yes, counted. And false number 5, that is Chidoro. Chidoro, number 5, that is your second personal foul and first team foul for the second quarter. And by number 28, Alexis. Here it goes. Here it goes. Okay, here's now. Long for you again from Tampor. Yes, basket. 3 points from Tampor. 25 minutes score. Here is Amba. Bibigay dito pa. Kasama ng number 15. Eight minutes and 15 seconds. Tampor again. Na nakadalawang press na. Eto si Guldan. May sundot doon sa likod. Si Manenoy. This one, number 8. 10 seconds shot clock. Oh. Last song. Oh, that's it. That back all 25 pasoy sumabit sa lahat ng yours is ay Amba. We have a foul for number 15. Villanueva number 15, that is your first personal foul hidden in the arm. And second team fouls on middles. All 25 again. Hindi pumasok ang number 2 na Mr. Ambay. Let's give him another chance. Wala kang gahapon. Another chance. 7 minutes and 44 seconds is the right time. Here is again, Tampor. Tampor, naano na siya. Tumira si Tampor, wala na rebound, makawala na set. Hinahabang mga kabilis ko dito sa side. 7 minutes and 28 seconds being done. All 25 tayo mga kaibigan. Nakakalimutan tayo ng 3 minuto. Here is Chidoro. 3 points si Chidoro, jersey number 5. Labanan na ako ang Molinos. Tingnan natin ang gagawin na kapamang sa Lesat. Dahil ito ay si Amba, number 15. Will foul, 23. Will foul, number 23 of Team Kapang Rusi. Bisoy, second personal foul. And also second team foul of Tabarusan. Exactly 7 minutes remaining time, 28-25 is now the score. And there's no get Kampor, easy with that. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. For 3! Rebound by number 17. I think well Pablo, number 24. Tira sa 3, si Pablo, wala, top tulong 15, maligwa, tira number 3. And that is a 3 points from maligwa number 17, all 28. Deadlock naman tayo mga kaibigan. 6 minutes and 20 seconds na remaining time. Chidoro, kabigyan sa Danis Colina number 15. Hanap na mapapasahan. Buti na Chidoro, bibigyan kayo nila ng pagkasilang. Hindi mo pala nakita ang aqua. Anak ko? Wow, that's not pushing foul. 3 falls on needles. Here is now. Dire-diretso mga kaibigan. Here is. Guntan. Guntan kayo. Oh, ito na naman ang guntan. Guntan. Ito si Tampor. Wala. Siguro na natin. Sabi na ba? Binigay kayo tumas. Binigay dito kayo. 7 seconds shot. Sige na. Team Kabasan. Here is Pablo. Counted foul. Sila pa, right? Number 15 got a foul of Team on Needles. Foul and 1 for penalty on Needles. Baligwan, number 17. Bonus shot. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. 30-20 na kami score na lang ang panahon ng Kabasan. Okay, here's now again Tampor. Bibigay kay Guntan. Guntan, pumili, tumira. Wala talaga sa still Guntan. Deadlock of 30 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Here's again Bantang dari sa 4. Rebound by Julia. Julia wala tap. Ito na dyan sila po. Wala na shot. Set mga kapatid. Wait lang. Foul. Number 74. Time out ang Kabasan. Foul number 74. That is Bantang. Second personal foul. And 3 foul. Here's Tampor. Number 71. Okay, pass. 33-30 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Here is again Bantang, number 74. Again, another personal foul. Bantang again, bibigyan niya on the side. And there is basket from, that is Pablo, number 24. 32-33. And here's now, again for Olidos. 14 seconds shot clock. Here is 10 seconds to shoot. Ay! Guntan, nagkakaagaw ang bola. Guntan! Basket, wala kay Guntan. 35-30 is the score. Here is again Bantang, number 74. Team Kabasan. Papasok, basket. 34 among the side. 35 on middles. Ay, saan ba na nakalakpak si Manay Luz? Here is now top 4. And this is Kahiki number 12. Binigay ko na number 15. Tapos, sino kagakapin Manay Luz? 74. Basket from Pablo, number 24. 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining on the minutes of the second quarter. Napakabilis ang ating oras. Hindi ka tulad kanina. Bindudog gagawin. There is. Ito na naman si Pablo. Counted. Okay, number 71. Got it foul. Top 4. First personal foul, top 4. And penalty. Pablo, number 24. Bonus shot. Okay, basket. Okay, balik na tayo, kaibigan. Here is again Gontan, kanang point guard just started. Shot clock, 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Good time! Bang, bang! Nice play from top 4 and good time. 39-37. Is that right? Okay, dalawa pa rin ang lakas na kapakusan. Dalawa si Pakusan. Here's now, Kahiki, jersey number 12. Pass to the top 4. Sevilla. 2 minutes, maybe time to number 1. Late after together, sir. Few minutes. Good time again. Going down, takbo. Walang sa isa. Na-fall pa si number 74. Sino pa? Pushing pa. Number 74, Banta. Third person for now. Warning for penalty. Babangrusa. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining on 40-39. Sa alamang na on middles. There is now. 1. Tumira ng press. Wala. Still covered by Banta. Ito si Gontan. Last 1 minute and 24 seconds. Same ball. 16 seconds shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. Okay, ito si Kahiki. Kahiki, 1 set forward. Pagkukuha ni Pablo, 24. Hindi tayo na nakuha ang kaibigan. Oh, good touch. Oh. 40-39, last 1 minute. Sevilla, butata nagkapas. Si Sevilla. 57 seconds. Is the regular shot clock, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Time to start. Here is Mantang. 14 seconds shot clock. Mantang, yes, basket. From number 74. 41-42. Still 1 point lead of Olmigos. 33 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Good time. Ibigay dito. 8 seconds. Single, shot clock, 5 seconds. 5 seconds, shot clock. 23 seconds remaining time. Okay, no more shot clock. 18 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds remaining time. Wave foul from number 2. That is good time. Penalty. Second, Niguntan and penalty. 12, the second quarter. 42-41, 1 point lead Onigos. K deadlock, all 42. Deadlock, all 42. Where's the last? Okay. Lamang ang kabangasan. 12.9 seconds remaining time. Time will start. 10 seconds. Onigos, last ball. 5 seconds. And that is already the end of our second quarter. For the Mindanao, our score is 43-42, and that is 1 point lead of Cabangasan. 43.